but this is different. This is flat. This is a bit... Then last week was right. You finished shaking it off, didn't come out, didn't dare to come out. It hurts. This counts too. I also said don't ride a bike. If you want to go, you take a motorcycle. A motor vehicle isn't the same as a car. This hurts. Is it like this again?
Yes, it's time.
Exceed 1 a month.
You said the store also retired. Do you need to take more than 30,000?
More than 30,000, maybe more than 10,000 is common. More than 20,000.
Over 30,000?
I don't know about that. No.
I have a classmate who came to teach here. He told us that his husband retired with over 30,000. Doesn't my sister also have a store? I guess it's not even 10,000, maybe over 9,000.
He said over 10,000, and he can teach here too. My sister has met him. What are they all doing in the world? Are there such people?
Little push.
At that time, when Yan came, and I even mentioned it.
Vinegar sauce on top.
You finish and choose baker own sound.
Is this repaired outside first? Not repaired before?
Bah!
Then why can't you let it go? Did the phoenix come over? Letting the horse go is not allowed. There are other things too. I will get you the daily necessities later, right? When to hand it over? Oh dear. Look for lighting and accounts, that's fine. Yes, it's okay, you can find it. Alright. To switch to that, you can adjust the lighting, and then maybe check with him about the account. It's not possible to contact me in advance. Okay, right. Okay, bye.
Is it really that extreme? Will it still hurt that much in the future or not? It can all be alleviated. The key is that it's too dangerous.
My situation now is that after I finish cutting it myself, it doesn't hurt much, so I'll just do it. I almost want to point it out on the video, on that Kwaishu, and then come over later. Doing it at the door here, these are all air conditioners.
This is not from my hometown?
Do you name a meat roll? It's just minced meat, like meatballs that flatten. Well, once you finish talking, it flattens.